Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day with their family and friends. I had a wonderful time actually yesterday and today because it was also my mom's birthday, and so we celebrated Mother's Day and my mom's birthday at the same time. And she just basically turned 89 years old. Yep. So yeah, we had a great time. Okay, so we're going to do an unboxing of from Diamond Art Club. And this was called Queen of Hearts by Hannah Lynn. And it's a round, as usually you can see it's pink and you see the circle. Okay, and it comes in a really cool box. It's very shiny. And then it says scan me to unlock for 10% off. And then in the back, it tells you how it works step by step and what's inside the kit. And it comes in 3 languages, which is English, French, and Spanish. So let's open this baby up. All right. So what do we know about Hannah? Well, Hannah is a self-taught American artist, and her mission is to bring color, light, and wonder to people's lives in a positive way to inspire young artists. And I believe she has 24 paintings on Diamond Art Club. I believe Aussie Girl, Ice Princess, Evil Queen. I believe Evil Queen just came out last week. Okay, so this is the toolkit, and all the paintings come with 2 stickers. Okay, one of the stickers is small, and this you could either put on top or on the bottom of the box or in your logbook. And so it basically just tells you Queen of Hearts by Hannah Lynn. Okay, round. Let's put that aside, and let's look at the toolkit first. Now the toolkit, guys, is always a surprise because we never know what's in here. We don't know what kind of washi tape or cover minder. Oh, if I can get this open. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to start lifting weights. get a little stronger. All right, so all the kits come with a pen, and as you can see, this pen is like a very pretty color. It's like a dark, like a grape color. And of course, this is the comfort grip, and this you're supposed to put in the pen, and this is supposed to help with your fingers for comfort, and especially if you have arthritis. Sometimes I struggle with it putting it on, so I'm not going to. But anyway, sometimes I actually rip them. But anyway, this is supposed to help with your hands, okay? So let's put that aside, and it comes with resealable bags. Just in case you don't have the containers with you, you could put the drills in here. And of course, it always comes with a heart-shaped container, and this is where the wax is. And the wax is also shaped like a heart. And then basically you have to peel this plastic in order to stick your pen in there and get the wax, okay? So let's see what else. And then of course we have washi tape. Oh, look, leaves, very pretty. And I believe this is, gosh, is that a rabbit? I think it's a rabbit, a blue rabbit with a little, or is it a dog? I have no idea. It could be a rabbit or a dog, but it's blue, and I'm not sure if that's a carrot or a peach. Yeah. Anyway, this is a cover minder, and a cover minder is basically a magnet. And ooh, you know what? This one they glued it. I'll separate it. That's no problem. But anyway, this is supposed to you peel the plastic, because all the canvases have plastic. So you peel the plastic back. You put the top, and you put the other magnet on the other side of the canvas, underneath the canvas, and they click together, and it holds the plastic back while you're diamond painting. All right, I'm gonna have to do a little surgery on this one. And of course, the pen comes with 2 placers. So it comes with a 4-placer and a 7-placer. So basically, you can get 7 drills or 7 diamond drills at the same time, and it goes quicker when you're diamond painting. Okay, and of course it comes with a tray. All right, so let's put all this in here and put it aside. And all the canvases come in a plastic bag, just basically to protect it, I guess, while it's traveling. And it says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. All right, so let's open this baby up. And inside the canvas, usually you have the drills, bag of drills, and the sticker, and I think the instructions. Yep. So here we have, thank you for your purchase. what's included in the kit, tips and tricks, and basically step-by-step instructions. And then of course, this is the big sticker, which I love. This, I usually put this in the logbook. Okay, Queen of Hearts by Hannah Lynn. You put down the start date, the end date, and then of course, like I mentioned before, it is around. All right, and it comes with pre-cut stickers just in case you want to use these on your containers. Some people do and some people don't. All right, and then of course, these are the drills. And I love that it has a sticker. So it says Queen of Hearts. So if you separate this from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to this painting, to this beautiful painting. And the canvas is very, very smooth, guys, like butter. And it's designed that way on purpose to prevent wrinkling and fraying. All right, so, oh, this is like perfect size. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna roll it back. And we can do this. It's just to flatten it out a little bit, okay? And then here at the bottom of the painting, you will see that it has a picture. Actually, let me bring this light a little bit closer so you can see. So it has a picture, and then it says DAC, which is Diamond Art Club, Queen of Hearts. It's 17 inches by 24 inches. And that is 43 centimeters by 61 centimeters. It's by Hannah Lynn, Diamond Art Club. Then in the middle, it says take 10 for 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And on this side over here, you have a lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. Okay, so let's roll. Oh my gosh, look at the colors on this, guys. Wow, spectacular. Okay, always on the top, it says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And then it always has two legends. One legend on the upper left-hand side. Let me push this back because we can see it glare now. And the other legend is in the bottom right-hand side. Now the legend, guys, comes in handy because if you look at the legend, okay, if you look at the legend, it tells you how many colors the painting has. So this has 32 colors. It has the symbols in the middle, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place the drills. And then of course, this is the color code, the DMC code. All right, now let's look at this beautiful painting. Wow, guys, I love, love, love how bright and striking the colors are. Very, very colorful. All right, as you can see, it is the Queen of Hearts, and she is the character in Alice in Wonderland. And she's well known for saying, off with their heads. But as you can see, this queen is beautiful. She's just adorable. I love her. I love her hair. It's like that old-fashioned, I don't know, it's Victorian, I don't know, but that old-fashioned hair. It's like, it's got blue. It's got like blues in there. Let's see, let me look at the picture. Yeah, it's got blues in there. And then she's wearing a nice red bow. Okay, and then look at her eyes. See, this is the thing about Hannah Lynn. She always makes the eyes very big. Okay, and this is, she's got blue eyes. It looks like she's got green eyeshadow and very, very long eyelashes, which I love. And she's got a little heart tattoo there, a cute little mouth, a cute little nose. Love her outfit. Okay, Queen of Hearts is like the playing cards. What else? And you just gotta love all these reds and blacks in there and whites. And then here in the background, you have all these colorful colors, which I love. And of course, I don't know, what do you call this? It's like a cane. It's not a cane, but anyway, it's got a heart on the top. Can you see the heart on the top? And very pretty colors. But just by looking at this painting, guys, there's a lot of blocking on her face, color blocking, which means that it's going to be the same color for a while. But there's a lot of confetti on her hair, a lot. And not so much on her outfit, but a lot on her hair. So it's got a little bit of both, I guess. All right, so let's just look at the colors now. Let's roll this back here. All right, let's begin. 164 is Forest Green Light. Can you see it there? Yeah. 168 is pewter, very light. 169 is pewter, light. And 301, very, very little of 301, and this is mahogany, medium. Now 310, we have 5 bags of 310. Okay, and that's black. And 312 is baby blue, very light. 322 is baby blue dark. 369 is pistachio green, very light. 402 is mahogany, very light. 444 is lemon dark. 498 is red dark. Look how pretty it looks next to the black. 562 is jade medium. 608 is burnt orange bright. 613 is drab brown, very light. 644 is beige gray, medium. 645 is beaver gray, very dark. 646 is beaver gray dark. And 666 red bright. 704 is chartreuse bright. 740 tangerine. 741 tangerine medium. And 742 is tangerine light. So all these are tangerine. 945 is tawny. And 951 is tawny light. This one is 3072. This is beaver gray, very light. Almost finished. 3752 is antique blue, very light. 3766 is peacock blue light. 3776 is mahogany light. 3819 is moss green light. And 3856 is mahogany ultra, very light. Okay, all beautiful bright colors. Love the black with the reds, the blues, all these greens, all the tangerines and the blues. Beautiful. All right, so let's move these aside. These beautiful colors. And now let's bring out the ABs. So we have 2 ABs. We have 115. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. AB basically just means Aurora Borealis, and just means that it has a coating on top of these drills that makes it even extra shinier. And 141 is white. This is like a pink, I guess, like a dark pink. All right, so let's see where these beautiful ABs go. So we're going to look at the legend, and according to the legend, this is going to be symbol 1, 115. Okay. So where we see number 1 here, that's where that AB is going to go. So you have some on the heart. Let me move this glare back again. Okay, so you have some on the heart. Of course, on her beautiful red bow on her hair. And you have some here. Some on her on the tattoo, the little heart tattoo. Some here, over here. Lots over here in the background. So it looks like it's everywhere. It's going to be, oh gosh, guys, it's going to be so sparkly, so pretty. And of course, it's going to be in the shape of the heart here, all over. It's like sprinkled everywhere, wherever you see red. Beautiful. And then let's not forget, this is going to be 141. And when you look at the symbol, it's symbol, when you look at the legend, it's symbol 2 on the legend, okay? And so that's going to be on her arm. It's going to be on her beautiful puffy sleeve. It's going to be on her collar. over here. I believe this is part of her collar. Let's see. And over here also, this is also part of the collar. And of course, it's going to be all over her hair. As you can see, her hair has highlights. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's like different shades of blues. And of course, it's got some on her heart, in the heart. And of course, sprinkled on the background. Wow. I mean, would you guys add more ABs? I don't know. I don't think so. It just has, that's going to look beautiful. Wow. I love it. I love all of Hannah Lynn's, the colors are just so bright and so colorful. Very, very striking. All right, guys, so that's about it. I hope you guys love this painting as much as I do. And I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. And bye-bye, and thank you very much.